Nobody knows what's inside a black hole, and I don't know any volunteers to find out. And even if there were a volunteer, they would go in, they'll find out what's on the other side of a black hole, but none of the rest of us will ever know because they cannot communicate back out because nothing comes out of a black hole. All right? They can't even send an SOS with radio signals because radio waves travel at the speed of light, and the speed of light is insufficient to escape the black hole. But the theories of the universe, general theory of relativity, that gives us the black hole in the first place, if you take those equations into the black hole, it tells us that an entire other space-time opens up in front of you. As the future history of the universe is left behind, a whole other universe opens up in front of you. It's freaky, but the general theory of relativity has worked in every other way we've applied it. So this is particularly intriguing to us all. That perhaps the universe with its black holes is just this sort of Swiss cheese of universes in some higher dimension where you might have access. So it's intriguing, and I want to know the answer too. In fact, if I know I'm going to die soon, send me into a black hole. That way I'll die knowing, rather than just drooling on the bed, just or getting hit by a bus. Launch me into a black hole. That's how I want to die.